Greeting everyone. My name is Jenna Joseph and my student ID is at 50409 1358 I am currently pursuing a bachelor degree in primary education at Open University Malaysia Kuching under Faculty of Education. Now, for this May semester, I have been assigned a task to discuss the concept of unity and diversity within Malaysian classroom. Now, joining me today is my respected colleague from work, Mr. Marcus Gutaman. Thank you, Mr. Marcus, for joining me today.
Thank you for having me.
Now, Malaysia is a multicultural country with people from different races such as Malay, Chinese, Indian, and indigenous tribe like me. I'm Bidaya. This mix can be seen in school where students from different cultures and religions learn together. And multicultural classroom also not just for study but also to teaching important values like respect, tolerance, and unity. Now, school help students understand and accept each other so that they can live peacefully in a diverse society. Mr. Marcus, my question is now, what does actually unity in diversity mean to you in the context of Malaysia?
Malaysia is a very, I would say, very fortunate to have different, cultural backgrounds, and so it is very unique where there's so many different cultures, and yet people are able to stay together, and so the unity is very strong in Malaysia, even though there are so many different groups of people who practice different cultures and all that.
Why is unity among different races and religion is important in Malaysia?
I like to talk about Sarawak in particular, where I think the older people in the past probably they learn to I think one key thing is the people live collectively, and then they learn to respect other people around them as well, and because of this, it's very interesting in Sarawak that people learn to respect each other, learn to acquire cultural values from other groups as well.
Thank you. Now, how do you feel when you celebrate festivals from other cultures? In our school, for the past, months, we've been celebrating Gawai. How do you feel about it?
As a teacher and a school principal, I always feel proud of being Malaysian, especially when I see colleagues and students. They really want to they want to experience the spirit of celebration. For instance, when we celebrate Chinese New Year, we see many people wearing Chinese costumes, and we celebrate Gawai. The same thing happens, so I can see the joy in the faces of the children, and really makes me very happy.
Yes. I think I feel the same. Okay, now what is the role the school plays in promoting unity and diversity?
The school plays a very, very crucial role because we have different students coming to the school. So the school provide the opportunity for students to learn about the cultures of other people around them. And as a school, one of the roles we play is to ensure the children learn to live with others around them.
All right. Now, how can teachers help students from different races or ethnic background feel included?
Oh, teachers definitely they play a very very crucial role in the school as well. They the way they support the children probably to explain to the children about other cultures, to encourage the children to learn, say for example, the Chinese culture, and then tell them stories about, how the Chinese festival, Chinese New Year festivities, the stories behind them. The same thing with the Hari Raya and all that. So in this way, the students will get to know more about cultural things. Yeah.
Okay. How do curriculum activities help strengthen unity among students of different races?
The curriculum is also an opportunity for the children to live, to live the values in cultures, and so the opportunity to learn things, to I think through group work, through projects. So when they do projects together, they are learning values of doing things collaboratively, and being able to, how do you work with other people from young?
Yeah, it's really true, Mr. Marcus. As I myself, a teacher, here in this class with different students, different backgrounds. I think it's very important that to get them to know each other just the way they are. Doesn't matter what color they are, doesn't matter what language they are, but as long they can do things together as a child, as a student, as a kid. Yes. Now, what are the dangers if unity in diversity is not preserved in Malaysia?
I would say that when it is not preserved, it creates intolerance, and people don't really have respect for other people around them, and they become very. They are so into themselves, and they are not able to be considerate, or they don't become kind to people around them as well.
Okay. And then my final question, Mr. Marcus. Now, what is your hope for futures for our multicultural countries in education?
I would like to think that the future is bright if we give the opportunity for children to learn to live with the people around them right from the start, from in school. So they know that the world out there, is very very challenging. So in school they are given the opportunity, they are prepared, given the preparation to live outside the classroom, and so that they are not so thinking about themselves alone, how they are, how can they, out there in the world, how can they relate to the rest of the world. So I think if we are very positive, then as teachers, if we are positive, then we are able to inculcate positivity in the children, and then we encourage children to become more humane, more to be kind, to become a better person, and to be emotionally strong, and then to be emotionally. The emotional intelligence for the children is very important. Yeah, we don't want them to be just clever, but we want them to become better human beings.
Such a good topic to talk about, Mr. Marcus. And I see that you are really, your knowledge about this is so wide and I learned so much. Thank you so much for having me today.
Yeah, thank you. I enjoyed talking about education, being an educator. So I do have my own views and thoughts about education in general.
Thank you, everyone. See you again.
Bye.
Bye.